right. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna get our morning PT going here. I guess I can leave that over there. Fix this camera. Okay, that's good enough for me. All right, let's get our morning PT going. Well, hope you guys getting your PT on your own. Let's go. Double jacks. Right in place. Elbows, knees. Toe touches. Stretch out, touch your toes. Stretch out, touch your toes. Stretch out, touch your toes. Get our blood flowing and our minds going this morning. All right, right in place. High knees. Jumping jacks. Knees. Right in place. Jumping jacks. Elbows and knees. Right in place. Knees. Woo! Okay. Motivated. A little quick little PT session real quick. And let's get it going.
Success in trading is that there is no secret. Making yourself a success in trading is just like success in anything else. It's a series of small steps. Start your morning routine today. Prepare yourself diligently for your day ahead. One small step. Do the same again tomorrow. Keep that routine going. Another small step. The same again the day after and the day after that. Consistency. Small steps. Take your time preparing your charts, dissecting the financial news. Another small step, again and again. Do your analysis, open a trade. The trade wins. It's another step. Do your analysis, open a trade. The trade loses. It's still a step. Even when you lose or fail at something, or when you realize your plan just isn't working, these are still steps. It's still progress. But the thing is, the progress in these steps is practically invisible. We don't even realize what's happening each and every day. We sometimes get caught up wasting time, looking for something that will push us ahead quicker. But no, it's the same day after day. Another small step, and another small step, and another, and another. Until some months or years down the line, you take a look back at what you've done and realize that this series of small steps that you've taken have helped you climb a small mountain. Suddenly, the steps take on a new life. You realize each step is driving you closer to success. They have meaning. It's consistent. It's dependable. It's progress. It's time to conquer the next mountain. A bigger one this time. It's ambitious. You'll need to make a lot of progress this time, but now you're enjoying these small steps. You're even thinking to yourself every day, how can you fit in more small steps into this day? How can you make the most out of every step you take? It's just like lifting weights at the gym. You're not just going to wait for the reps that burn and push you. You're going to push yourself on every single rep, every single step, every trade, every prep, every time you make a note in your journal, and every time you assess a win or a loss, you're deliberately focusing on making each step count. But the question is, right now, are you willing to stay disciplined and focused, step after every repetitive step, step after every boring step? What are you going to do today to make that next step happen? How can you fit more steps into your day? How can you achieve more marginal gains? How are you going to conquer that mountain? Because at the end of the day, any distance you cover, any progress that you want to make, whether it's trading or anything else in your life, it's just going to be a series of small steps. So if you can look inside yourself and honestly say that you're committed enough to trading, that you're willing to make this journey happen, then there's really nothing else to say except go and make it happen.
All right, everybody. I hope you guys got some out of that little motivational video. But you know, I played that because for a reason. To me, you know, the small steps matter. You know, we take the small things for granted. You know, the losses that we take on our trades, we should be going back testing our trades, looking to see what happened. Why do we select that trade? You know, do we need more time? Analyze that trade. But I'll tell you what, this 14 days we've been doing this boot camp, I'm forming good habits. I hope you guys are forming good habits too of being disciplined. You know, I think we're doing the most education that anybody in the academy is doing. Every day we're in the education. So that's great. You know, pat on your back for that. But the small steps matter. I want to make sure we hit that home and keep doing the small things. They'll add up. After this 30-day period, you're going to see some results. All right, so let's move on with our education. Then we're going to do some live chart markup and some live trades.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Thursday night's trading get paid session. We're going to get right into the charts right away. I'm going to go over the platform and we'll get right into some trading. Got cut short last night, went 1 and 3. Tough night on the market, but we're going to bounce back tonight. Appreciate everyone rocking with me, staying consistent day in and day out. That's what it's all about. So I'm going to go over the platform, got my charts marked up, and we will go from there. On the left-hand side here, we have our currency pairs. Make sure you have the right ones selected. If this is your first time on my call, welcome. I will slow it down for the basic beginner to understand and follow along. Pay attention to the chat. First, I will go over the currency pair. So I'll type the currency pair in the chat. The next thing I will put in the time frame. We're going to be trading 5 minutes.
All right. Stuff happens, right? Okay. Not sure what that was about.
But that helps us see where we're at. See you guys Monday. Have a great weekend. Helps us see where, but that helps us see where we're at.
Hold on. Let me see what's going on. We got technical difficulties right now. I got to play some intermission music. Let me try another video. When you're making progress, the enemy try to creep up on you.
But that helps us see where we're at.
Okay.
We're going to get right into the charts right away. I'm going to go over the platform and we'll get right into some trading. Got cut short last night, went 1 and 3. Tough night on the market, but we're going to bounce back tonight. Appreciate everyone rocking with me, staying consistent day in and day out. That's what it's all about. So I'm going to go over the platform, got my charts marked up, and we will go from there. On the left-hand side here, we have our currency pairs. Make sure you have the right ones selected. If this is your first time on my call, welcome. I will slow it down for the basic beginner to understand and follow along. Pay attention to the chat. First, I will go over the currency pair. So I'll type the currency pair in the chat. The next thing I will put in the time frame. We're going to be trading 5 minutes. So make sure your time is at 5 minutes. And then the next important part I can't choose is your risk management, 1 to 3%. Just like last night, we did have a losing session.
Okay. All right. So I'm not sure what's going on with my video trade.
Hey, Vaughn. Hey,
Yeah.
Vaughn, I tried watching that video the other day and I couldn't get it going either. I'm not sure if it's like on Go Live side or what it
Yeah, I'm
is,
gonna go to
but
something else. I'm just gonna go to something else.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
just thought I'd let you know so you know.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna
No.
try it again. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Sometimes
I
it
like
works
the
for me.
I like the first 5 minutes too.
I know, right? It's all good. It's all good. We're gonna go to another pair. That's all. Oh, the system is down. They upgrading the system. That's what it is. I'm just setting it up, then I'll share the screen 1 second.
When you're coming in from, we will get to the chart. I'm gonna go over the platform with you guys if you are brand new, so you guys can follow along. This session does have a little bit of a lag, so you have to deal with that. I'll also explain how to follow along that way as well. But we lag session, so it's about 20-30 second lag, is paying attention to the chat. You guys have to pay attention to when I'm calling out entries, so you can go and take those entries without waiting for the lag. So on the left hand side here, we have our currency pairs. So please make sure you are selected on the right one when I type it in the chat. I usually try to talk ahead of when I'm taking an entry, so you guys can, have your pen and paper to write that down. Okay, he's thinking about getting into an entry here on this pair. Go ahead and write that down if you hear me talking about a certain pair. Next important thing is your time frame. I'm usually on the 5-minute time frame, unfixed time. So what that means is this little bar here is to the right. If you select it to the left, that's fixed time, which is going to give you the full 5 minutes. I tried on unfixed time, which doesn't give you the full 5 minutes. It's going to count down from this timer here in the middle. Next important section is your risk. Please risk 1 to 3%. For those of you that have been tuning in with me, I will roll over as many as 4 times. So please use your correct risk amount. If you don't like rolling over, you can also choose to get into another entry and let that other entry go if we have to do so. The next important thing is a buy and sell. So call means buy, means we want price to be going up. Put means sell, we want price to be going down. So make sure to look for that. And then lastly is price itself. So I will call it the last 3 numbers. And so price right now is at 108.762. I will be calling out the last 3 numbers. So I'll just say 762, and then we will go in for whatever I say call or put at that said time. So that's how you follow along. Make sure to pay attention to the chat because some entries come quick and I have to type it in and then you'll hear it, but then you'll see the entry first on Go Live. So I'm gonna move that over there so I can chat with you guys. All right. Yes, rollover button is on the bottom right-hand side. If you're on a broker like mine, what that does is extend our trade from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And then if we do have to roll over a second time, it goes from 10 to 20 minutes. So be aware of that as well if you are taking shorter entries. Fixed time is off. Fixed time is off. All right. I'm going to go over what I just saw. I literally, got on my computer, drew up the fib tool right at the hour. And so what I'm explaining here is, when we're finding which way to draw our fib tool is we want to look for the current trend. So we are on a downtrend I'm on the 5-minute chart right now. And I just drew up my fib tool. We had a a top, so we had a resistance. I started my fib tool there. I found a bottom on this downtrend, and then after we find the bottom on a downtrend, you know, we just wait for price to retrace back into our zones that I talk about in my trainings, and then go in for 5-minute sells. So our first entry here would have been this blue candle. If you guys can see that first blue candle. And then when I talk about a second entry, I talk about a second entry in our green zone. This was setting up pretty much right on the hour, right before the hour, I guess, on this setup. So if you caught that, knew how to draw the fib tool, you would have caught a few entries right before this call. But this is kind of how I like to draw my fib tool. Once price breaks this up or down, we have to readjust, make it a new low, find a new high, and then we'll adjust from there. So we'll let price breathe. We'll come back to this on how to redraw that fib later in the session. Anyways, on Euro JPY, we have a slighter downtrend on our 5-minute. We zoom out, we are kind of in a longer downtrend that way. So what I would like to do, yes, there's a lot of highs here, but some of you may be, okay, where do we find the latest high on this? And so we see price retracing back up. How I would draw this is I would probably start from one of two highs, which is these two right here, because this is the previous high. We already see price kind of reaching that area, which our third entry is at that top of the fib tool if I were to draw it like this. Excuse me, we have this high, have this low. Yes, our first entry could have been here, but we weren't trading during this time. So, and the next entry would probably be at this latest high here. So we're gonna wait for that. We'll probably get into that entry. Just because I just made another line, we have a form of support, price rejecting off of this line. So a support line is when price comes down to a certain area, price does not want to break through that support. So we didn't see any candles bust through this line yet. Finally, we did. When we do see that line come through a support, it's always probably about 85, 90% of the time, it's going to come back up and touch that previous support to make a new resistance. So I'm going over the very basics, very basics of technical analysis, how you can see the market from drawing a few things, few reminders. Maybe some of you haven't traded in a while. So I just wanted to go through this with you while we're looking for setups. Check the chat here. Are you going to redraw it? Yes, I will redraw USD JPY once we get a few more candles on there, see where price went. Crashed. Someone said my bite is fine right now. All right. What else? It's going to be trading and training. I'm going to go over the fib tool on all these pairs real fast, and then we'll get into some setups. So GBP JPY, we see price kind of breaking right now. We are in a downtrend. So what I would like to see is drawing this on a downtrend. So we have our high here. I'm going to start my high here. And then if this makes a low, if this rejects at this low, I'm going to leave that there. So all we want price to do is retrace back up for us, and we will get into some sell positions on GBP JPY. All right. So we have some setups coming for us. We're just going to wait for them. Euro USD. Price is just kind of in and out. It's a downtrend. So the fib could go either way on this. Because of this current uptrend, I'm going to be trading with this current uptrend, taking buy positions more than likely. So I like this push up just like that. and then start my fib on the bottom here, and then wait for price to retrace back down. We can put a little bit more of support and resistance lines in here. You see price rejecting a little bit in this area. That's a form of resistance, probably gonna come to that support area. Euro USD, so we'll wait for that to breathe a little bit. We have a big push on all of these pairs right now, so I'm not going to be taking any entries quite yet. Right now on USD CAD, I do like this for a buy setup actually on the fib. So price, I started my fib tool on the bottom here. We have our top. We wait for price to retrace into our zones. So right now would actually be a form of taking an entry on the 5-minute chart. Let's check our higher time frames. I do like this USD CAD under 190. So USD CAD, let's get in at 190 for a 5-minute buy. USD CAD 190, 5-minute buy. Let's get in USD CAD. Yes, it's not paying out well for me. I will still take this. I don't know your payouts on the other brokers. I'll still take this. Fixed time off, fixed time off. All right, fixed time off. Let's get this to work down a little bit. Price is at 196. It's not matching up the best. This might be the area to take it, but I'm gonna wait for 190. I want a little push down on this. Yes, if your fib is not covering more than 2 candles, you need to either not draw the fib or reevaluate a higher low. Yes, I saw that question.
Right now, he's waiting
for a
for
spike
price to
down.
come
We'll
to him.
wait for 190 on USD CAD. While we wait for that, I'm going to keep going through, make sure to keep an eye on that if price does work down there. But I think this is going to be rejecting here. I just think price isn't matching up the best with the broker right at this moment. I have Euro GBP breaking out. This will be a buy. Call is a buy. Call is a buy. I'll put this in the ideas. What's up for you guys? Let's evaluate this one. So we have on Euro GBP, you have a little bit of a longer uptrend. If we zoom out a little bit, shorter term downtrend, which looks like it's breaking that. So I would like to get into buy positions on this when price is setting up. And so right now we're waiting for this to make a high. We're going to wait for a little bit of retracement or hitting a nice support level so we can get into an entry here. Fixed time off, guys. Fixed time off. Said it 5 times. Fixed time off. Price at 193. Has anyone gotten in yet? CAD. See this uptrending very heavily. So 193. 193. Got in. Nope, not yet. Be patient. Let's wait. Could see this coming down a little bit lower than 190 as well. If you want to wait, if you see differently, my first entry is going to be there. Just click the call button once it hits 190. Once it hits 190 on USD CAD, click the call button. You'll be good. Oh geez, 190.
It's like in 193.
Cleared at 196. Cleared. You guys are clearing entries. Shoot, we missed it. All right, it's okay if you missed it. Glad you guys are clearing. I did not take it, so don't feel bad if you did not take that. Don't feel bad. UJ, we're gonna redraw this for the person that asked for me to redraw this. So we'll find this previous high, find that low. It is also coming back up to this key level that we have across the board. I honestly wouldn't mind getting into another sell position right here at 800. I like this entry a lot. Coming back. Across the board. All right, so we're gonna get into 800 USD JPY sell, 5 minutes. If you got 193, definitely should have cleared that. USD JPY, 800 sell, 5 minutes. Here it is, 800 or above. So I got 813. 813 is my entry. Let me know what you got in the chat. This is downtrending over time. So I do like this entry. USD CAD.
Yo, Vaughn.
Go.
Hold on a second, bro.
813.
All right, we're getting ready to get into some live chart training and some live trades. What you got, Nathan?
No, I was just saying that was crazy, bro. Okay, so on EJ, literally right now, it was at like 813, and he was saying like, and then on UJ, he's in at like what 50 or whatever.
On EJ, so it's doing the same thing in real life.
Like literally, I was like, Vaughn. I said in the chat, Vaughn, look at EJ for a sell right now.
Funny. That's too funny.
I was like, what the hell is going on here?
I'm gonna go to EJ right now. Let's look and see what we got. That's funny.
That was a perfect entry, Nathan. It tanked.
Yeah, looking at EJ, it's kind of the same thing. Let me draw the fib on it just to see, because you're right. It looks exactly the same.
And if you draw a zone around like the 830s area, you can kind of see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I would have taken it at 832 when it was up there. Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of sort of the same thing he just drew, for sure.
Man, that was crazy.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
the
yeah.
target-
That's confirmation, man. When I look at stuff, that's just confirmation we're on the right track. So we're in the right place at the right time.
Oh,
So
100%.
this is what Nathan was saying, you guys. I'm gonna put an arrow there. So I would have took this trade right here, and we would have been deep in profit.
Would have been deep.
Bang.
Even if you slide that zone even farther back, yeah,
Yeah, make it
it
bigger
goes
so
even
everybody can see
farther.
that. That way you guys can see what it got
You
in
know,
here. Go
you know
ahead.
what I've found practicing? I've found that price very often breaks that first orange zone and goes into the top of the green zone for that first entry.
Okay.
I have also noticed that a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if it's pushing up super hard, it'll hit that green zone for sure.
Yeah.
Mhm.
If not, like the line in the blue zone, like the deep retracement level.
Yeah, I'm with you. So just to anybody that's watching on the recorded session later on, basically you want to go to the high time frames and look and see what's going on with the market. That kind of reconfirms your resistance and support lines, as well as your thought process in taking a trade or not. So you can kind of zoom back and forth from the 1 hour or the 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute back to your 5 before you make your final decision on taking a trade. So this was definitely in a steady downtrend. The level we wanted definitely can see support there at 832. So that would have been a solid trade. Just going back, retesting what we did. So back testing mean going back to see what happened. What's your analysis? Retracing the analysis and why you took the trade. So if you lose a trade or take a lesson on the trade, that's what you want to do every single day when you win or lose trades. So now I'm just going to mark up something. I'll let you guys do the same thing. See if I can
I think
find
we just missed EJ
Okay.
for sell up at like that 065 area.
Yeah, I'm gonna let everybody get a chance marking the chart up and then calling out a trade.
UJ, I mean.
Okay. So this thing is tanking. Go ahead, Emma.
Even I was gonna say, even if we got into that EJ late, no,
Still forget it.
There.
It ain't coming back no time. GJ is doing the same thing. So the yen is
JPY just gained a lot of strength.
Yeah. See if I can find something real quick.
They're really overbought though. If you look at the RSI, or oversold, I mean. So is a lot of stuff. Like the CADs are all oversold or overbought. I'm sorry.
I'm looking at your USD right now. So basically, it's in a downtrend here, slight uptrend. So if it came back up to this level here at 153, I would take a 4-minute sell on this to catch this downtrend action here. Just using simple my zone boxes here.
EuroCAD looks like if it's setting up for a sell as well.
All right, I'm gonna let you share your screen. If you want to go over that, you can. I'll set my alarm for Euro USD.
Where are you thinking I'm up in like the 800s?
I think maybe, not so high. Maybe 47.
847?
Or 50 or higher, maybe.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Because I actually have a line drawn at 701, which it just broke, but it was a heavy uptrend. So I think it's definitely going to come back down there.
Oh, you can share your screen, Emma.
Okay. It's saying that I can't.
Okay, let me fix that.
Man, that EJ went from 8:30 to 7:10 in 5 minutes. Sheesh.
It's coming up to that 15 mark there.
Okay, you should be good now.
Oh, Vaughn, it tanked.
What's that?
Let's
The
see.
EU.
It's going down. 747 is going down. So you see, look, this is my line here. And then we have a lot of wicks right here. So sinking more 750,
Okay.
740, 750, yeah. But it's, if you can see, it's coming back down already.
It
So
may
it's gonna
spike back
be
up though.
in here now.
So you're gonna call it out, EuroCAD at 750 for a sale?
I think maybe even 744. If we could get it back to 744, maybe I'll take it.
So you saying 740 or 745?
744.
Okay. How many minutes?
4 minutes, but I don't know if it's gonna come back up.
Hey, Vaughn, do you want to buy Egypt or EU?
No, I had it for a sale.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, I could. You
Happy
could buy
with
for a call as well too.
I just think that DXY is going into consolidation. And it's starting to make lower lows. So I'm thinking the DXY might be tanking here shortly.
On the 5 minute, I'm seeing a little resistance as low as 733, but I don't think it's gonna go back up. It's turning red. We missed that.
Okay.
Oh, I really do like this.
Yeah, we missed that one, but that's all right.
Okay. Anybody else want to share their screen and mark a chart up, call out a trade? Feel free to jump in. Let me know. Because I'm not sharing my screen right now. So if anybody else wants to do it, or I can find another pair.
Yeah, let me stop sharing.
Let's all get some practice in here, because this is what we want to do at this point: is start marking charts up every single day and making these small steps count. Even if we don't win the trade, that's fine. We're just doing practice trades, $1 trades. So if you want to do more, you can. But we're just doing that or demo. So we're not really going to lose any money. So it doesn't hurt to, call something out and see how it goes. You never know. You got to step out there. I would even take EU for a call where it's at right now. But
That's what I was just saying.
yeah. What was that?
I think this thing is starting to go into an uptrend here.
74. I will take it. I'm gonna take it for a practice trade right now. If I can get back to the daggone broker here. Come on. Well, looks like it's starting to go down and open red though.
What?
Well, if it comes down to 35, I'll take a call.
35.
That's my next zone. I'm gonna share my screen here as soon as I get it up there. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is what I'm seeing on EU. So you see I trapped the market here. This is my lower zone. So if it shoots down here, every time it spiked off this zone real high, except for here. But it resisted off here so high. Look at the wickage. So this should bounce off at least one time. So I'll take it at 35. I just got to get back to my broker. I don't know where did it go. There we go. Looks like I had the wrong one up, the wrong tab up. So that's what's going on. It's at 45 right now, 47. It's coming down pretty hard. 42. 35 or lower, I'll get in for a call. $31. Okay, let me go back. I took it at 33.
Oh, they're not 32. Whew, that 9.
And again, just do practice trades, everybody. We're just practicing here. So don't put your whole account on these trades. So this thing may come all the way down to this next zone down there. Make this smaller. That's a big drop.
I think the euro just lost a lot of strength.
Yeah, at some point
Look
though,
at
it got to
EJ.
resist some point. So it may just come down
Look at EJ too.
to what I thought. So that's my next zone is at 992. So let's see what happens. I may have to get out of roll. Sometimes people get into a second entry, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait and see what happens with this one. I wouldn't just jump into another call. Jet 16. Still got time for it to work back up right now.
It's got a minute and 15 seconds left on the 15. I think this thing will probably wick out here.
Okay, and what Nathan is talking about, normally, we try to trade on the hour, the 15 to 30 to 45, and the hour again, because at those time frames, the market changes direction most of the time and you'll see movement. So if you can give yourself 5 trades in an hour, you're good. You don't have to take 10, 20 trades in 1 hour. Try to do 5 trades in 1 hour and be done trading for the day. That's the ultimate goal.
I think I might roll my entry.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to wait. I got a little time left. About 20 seconds for myself to make the decision.
Starting to come up.
I will give it a roll if I have to. I
Don't
expired
miss
at
it.
16. Well, I expired at 16, 18, so I got a little time to roll over.
Okay.
Just a few more seconds. Because sometimes when I roll over, I'll lose the trade, so
Right.
stretch it out as much as I can.
I was expiring at 16, so I had to roll mine.
Okay.
I don't like these market trends when it moves in your direction in the last minute. I can't handle that anxiety.
Yeah. Well, I didn't get my roll over. I tried to push it. They cheated me out of a second, so it's cool. So let's see what happens. It happens sometime. Come on, spike
I
up.
think
We
you
got a
should be
green
good.
candle. We got a green candle, so let's go. Push up. Come on, push up. Yeah, I think so too, Nick. You just got to spike up right now, though. That's all. We need some bust up action here. Last second. Come on. Go ahead. I ain't gonna be mad at you. Come on, get up there.
Here it comes.
Nah.
Here comes the push. There it is.
Come on, baby.
There it is.
You got to jump through a hurdle. Come on, 37. There we go. Come on. It ain't over with. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, somebody. Believe in it. Let's go.
Yeah. You see that anxiety, I can't take that.
All right. So that was great.
I prefer to roll.
So that was great. I didn't have to roll it over. It did what we wanted it to do. That's great. But as you can see, the lower entry would have been better, obviously. But sometimes you don't know what the market is going to do. It's going to do what it wants to do on its own. So all you're doing is making a prediction based on your own analysis, and you got to trust your trade. I
expire at the end of this candle, so hopefully it doesn't drop back down.
When did you expire, Emma?
2003. So okay. on the candle. I mean, it should be fine. It's going up. So
Yeah, we got a green candle, so this thing should continue to push up. And I still would take this for a sell also because it's in a
Would you take it
downtrend.
for a sell at 051?
Well, no. I wanted to come out. Well, actually, hold on, Nathan. Let me answer that question for you. You said 051? No,
Yeah.
I wouldn't take it there because I think it's gonna come a little higher than that. Let me put my fib on here real quick.
Oh yeah, I didn't drop the fib on it.
Yeah, I think it's gonna come to like 70, the 70 area. It just came to 62.
Nice. I mean, you're deep.
And we don't want it to come down just yet. Emma's still in the trade.
yeah.
Keep
Not yet,
going
not
up.
yet.
Yeah.
Especially
going up.
not as close as 55.
Right. We need to go all the way to 70 for Emma. Keep going up.
Wait,
And then
what are you at? What's your entry, Emma?
32.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Deep.
Yeah. We're inside.
yeah, so I will take a sell on this as well if it comes up high enough.
Let me see. My EuroCAD.
And for those that may be watching this later, sometimes you can take a call or a sell on the same pair and maybe even multiple entries throughout the day. So you don't necessarily got to go and try to trade multiple pairs. You can stay on one pair. You know,
Yeah.
1 or 2 pairs be your favorite, and you can capitalize on that. And that will allow you to learn that pair, how it moves and things like that, and know what it does, if it spikes or not, so you can really understand that pair and trade it every day. So it's staying at the 62 range right now. Do we have resistance in the area? Let me see what we have. So sometimes you have to find another level of resistance to see what's going on with the market. So right now, that's a good resistance level at 62. So it hasn't really broken that just yet. So I may not get the 70 that I was looking for. So it may just stop right there. Hope you guys can see that. Let me make it a little bit bigger. So this is what's going on down here. So right here, the market stopped. Now it's starting to go back a little bit. But we don't want to get into a sell until Emma is clear. At least I wouldn't do that.
I have about 20 more seconds.
Okay, no problem. Stay up there. You go back the other way for Emma. So we're gonna wait for her to clear, then we'll look for something else.
Cleared. Woo!
All right, that's what's up. Okay, she cleared. Okay, great. Now we can look for this for a sale, which would have been probably right where I had my arrow at, because right now I just opened up red there. So it's probably going to go down. So at 66 would have been a great opportunity for a sell potential, but looks like we already missed that. So we'll look for something else now. I hope you guys are understanding that's on the call right now of what's going on, how to use the fib tool, and what we're basically doing. I'll just give a recap. So basically,
Can I show you something on my screen
let
here?
me stop sharing. Sure, go ahead.
All right. So we back on, just looking at EuroCAD here still, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a kind of zone between these two, well, this purple line and this green line, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's kind of bouncing between it right now. So it came down, went back up. So it might come back down or might go back up. I don't know. So I'm just looking at that.
Okay.
Maybe 15 minutes. Yeah, so just kind of doing a double up in this little zone here.
Mm-hmm.
Found we might get your EU entry.
Where is it at now?
Like 75.
Oh wow. Let me go back. Oh yeah, it did come up. Why does this one keep coming up? This isn't the right one.
You want it where?
No, I want to get in it. I gotta pull my internet back up. The wrong one keeps coming up. So it's at 85. Oh wow, it's coming up way high. Higher than what I thought. Let me
Or
see.
do you want it like 100?
No, I was saying 70s, but I would have took it right there at 83.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that would have been good. Yeah, there's definitely resistance at that level. What we got? 85.
80, 81.
Yeah, I would have got it at 85 or higher. I'll take it if it comes to 85. And again, guys, demo or $1 trades is fine. You don't have to put what I'm putting on my trades. We're just practicing. Yeah, 85 would have been good. It might not come back up there. I don't want to chase it now. If it gives me a spike up, I'll take it. Just 78.
Come on.
What you're looking at?
Euro USD. Going to take a sale at 85. Uh-oh.
Mhm.
What did I just do? I can't see nothing.
Has anybody checked the news? Oh, there's a lot. So CAD just had some news. CAD has red folders all day. Oh, there it
Yeah.
goes.
Well, I didn't get that one. That would have been a great call. So basically, I wanted it up here at 85. I didn't want to take it any lower because I called out 85. So I wanted to be patient and take what I called out. Sometimes you're going to miss trades. All right, so as you can see, it came up to the zone and went back the other way. Let me just draw a box right there. So this is just basic, SRT that I'm using. No indicators. Just going off the zones and the fib also. So, okay. MJ or anybody else want to do something? I can stop sharing my screen. Or I'll keep looking. We can take turns. It doesn't matter. If you guys see something, let me know. I can stop sharing my screen.
I got a one question, bro.
Sure.
So when you draw the fit, like, can I share my screen real quick?
Yeah. Give me 1 second. Let me move this over and I'll stop sharing my screen real quick.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay, you can go ahead, buddy.
So like, you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
So on the fib, you know how I got draw right here. So as soon as it hit this zone, that's when you enter.
Well, that's a 618. Yeah, anything between the 05 and the 618, you can take.
So like, you don't even wait no rejection. As soon as it hit, you just enter, right?
Yeah, exactly. So if you look up, you got the orange zone, right? The orange starts at the 618. That's your orange zone. So
Okay.
Jake preaches 618. But what I
Okay.
would do in conjunction with that is draw a horizontal line where you have support and resistance at, and that will give you even a more solid, point of entry where you want to take your trade at.
Like, would that be right there?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right? I see you got a line there. So yeah, I would definitely see it already. See that first blue candle? It already hit there.
Yep.
So now you're looking for another entry.
Okay.
So now I wouldn't take it there. I probably would wait and see what happens because it already hit there one time. So maybe now a little bit higher. So let's just watch it and see what happens.
Okay. So once it hit that zone, you just gotta wait for the other zone to get hit, right?
Yeah, the way Jake teaches it, as soon as it hits the 618, take that first entry, hit the green zone, take a second entry, and then hit the last one, the one, you take another entry. Or the 786 zone. Sorry.
Yeah, that's the problem I was having because I'm always catching a bad entry, but when I get a good entry, it clears it good.
Mm-hmm.
So
But another thing, remember too, man, if you're trading with the trend, if you roll it over a couple times, you should be good to go.
Oh, okay.
Ask Emma. Emma is a genius at rolling over.
I want to show you all something
Okay. Hold on one
Okay,
second,
go
Emma.
ahead.
Oh, never mind.
on Euro GBP.
Okay, let us
Go
know how
ahead.
the EU go, bro, because we are not looking at
got
it. Now. Okay.
All right. Well, this is my 30-minute, right? So I had a little channel here which was respecting, it broke, and now it's kind of going back up. But this is a it's in an overall, well, a little short-term downtrend on the 30-minute here. So if this might actually be a good point to sell at around 450, at 419.
I agree with that.
It'll be higher lows, well, I mean lower highs
Mm-hmm.
on the downtrend. So I think maybe if it goes up to 450 on 5 minutes. Yeah, so maybe even 450 maybe, or if you're seeing a better entry anywhere on your charts.
Okay. No, based on what you're saying, I agree with that.
Yeah, and then it kind of gonna touch the back end of that trend line.
Mm-hmm.
So EG 450 per put.
Okay.
If it gets back up there.
How do you guys like UJ for a sell if it comes back up to like that 060s area?
You want to share your screen that you can.
Yeah, let me hop in here with my computer. I'm on my phone right now.
Okay. What happened with EU, MJ?
Oh, I took a trade and
Okay, great. You cleared, didn't you?
yeah, I clear. I'm about to clear in like
So
10
why?
seconds. Right?
So why were you being stingy, man? You could let us all know to take that trade.
No, I didn't know, but I
That's
was
why I said let me know, because I
sketchy
would have
about
got
it,
in there
man.
with you.
I was just seeing what would he do, man. Like I thought it was gonna go the other way, and I
Well,
just
remember,
clicked.
we're taking practice trades, so you could have called that out. Yeah, don't be afraid. Let's take it. If you call it out, we'll take it at $1.
Okay, I got you, bro.
See what happens. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here on my computer.
Okay. I'm not sharing them. I think I'm not sharing. No, I'm not sharing.
Can you hear me, Paul? Vaughn, can you hear me?
Whoa, EU is coming right back up. I can hear you, bro. Yes, sir. I'm gonna take another EU trade as well.
Dog's been hella
If EU comes
annoying
back
this
up to 86, I'm gonna take another entry on that.
That thing says nope.
Right. It came to 62. And
I
that's
would sell UJ where it's at.
UJ? Okay.
070 or higher. That's the one I was gonna share my screen on.
Oh yeah, you can share. I'm not sharing.
This is what I got. You can kind of see the zone that it just broke out of. Right here, there's a strong wick rejection zone. That's where I would have taken my entries, right about here. Got the downtrend. That would have been a sniper. We would have been deep.
Yes, sir.
30 points.
Emma, how you looking on your trade? Are you almost there?
Yeah, no, I think it didn't go as high as my entry. So it went up to 37.
Okay.
UJ might give us that entry again.
All right, I'm going to take EU's call. What is it? There. Lost it. I took a light risk trade on EU for a call. And I'm going to show you guys why I took that. Well, basically, again, it hit this bottom resistance level here and bounced right back off of it. It hasn't broken through. When it doesn't break the structure, it's going to go the other way, ABC. So it hit there and bounced right back up. So that's why I took that. So let's see where we are. So you can see we're in profit right
Deep
now.
profit.
Nice.
So this would be our second setup on EU.
Same setup.
Yeah.
So if it comes back up to 86, I'll take a sell. So I'm gonna work this pair until it breaks. You know what I'm saying? So
So you keep taking it until it breaks the fib, you mean?
I mean until it breaks the structure. So let's say if it already hit here a couple times and it bounced back off. So see it hit here one time. The next time it came a little lower. The next time it may come down to here, and eventually it's gonna break the structure and come all the way down. So I'm not gonna keep taking calls down here because eventually it's gonna break the structure.
Where'd you get in at, Bob?
I get in at 98, 998.
Nice.
Eurocard is actually doing what I said. It's bouncing between those two those two zones.
Don't you just love when things happen? It's like exactly what you said about 5 minutes before.
Yeah.
Feels good. It does.
Yeah, make you feel like if you know what you're doing.
Especially like me and Vaughn can for sure say that. Like when we're on our calls and something clears, we're like amped up.
Yeah, for real. All right, came down a little bit to my entry. Let's see what's going on. All right, we're getting some action. Keep going, EU.
Nothing's gonna continue upwards.
Okay, we opened up green. We should see this thing continue to go up, like Nathan said. And when it came back down to 0.5, that could have been another entry, but again, I'm not trying to do that. We're just practicing right now. And again, I don't want to overdo it. You know, taking 4 trades in an hour, and I'm good. Even though I'm not putting a lot on these trades, everybody that may be watching this later, you know, it's all about growing your account over time. You know, not swinging for the fences, using 1 or 3% of your account. And then when you're practicing, use even less leverage. That way, if you lose a trade, you're not really upset that you're practicing trading right now.
Hey Vaughn, how do you like 420 on GCAD? Happy holidays.
For a call, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying.
Have it in an uptrend.
Okay, yeah, great.
CADs are all uptrending.
Yep. You gonna take it?
I think so.
Okay, I cleared my EU. All right, let's go. Having a great morning.
It's there right now.
Ooh,
man, did anybody catch that?
Nope. I was changing my dollar amount.
Damn, I just got there. Okay. What did you want it at? 420, right?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
It went up to 415.
Okay. That's UJ. No, UK. I'm on the wrong pair. UK.
GCAD.
Oh, GK.
Man.
Dang.
Sheesh,
Oh,
that thing
wow.
is out of here.
Wow.
It came down to 414. Okay. Yeah. Good call, man. You in it right now, right?
No, I missed it myself.
Oh,
I was changing,
that sucks.
my dollar amount too.
Wow. Well, this is what Nathan called out, just so you guys can see the analysis. So basically, it was in a strong uptrend here. Let me go out to a high time frame. So you can see this is in a strong uptrend. Okay, and you can kind of see the pattern. You know, it's doing that, and it actually came to the zone that he called out at 420 is where he wanted it. It came down to 410 on the trading view. Just make that a little bigger. And you can see the wicks. I like to look at the wicks because the wicks do tell you a story. It kind of tells you that it's going to bounce off there and go the other way. So all these wicks, and you can see it's just wicking and going back up. So this is a great opportunity to take a call here, which is why I agreed to the trade, because I saw the wicks and I noticed in an uptrend, and you can see if you draw an arrow there, you can see the uptrend. So you can draw an arrow from here and you can see the trajectory going up. So that's a great call. So if it comes back down there again, I would take it again. I mean, at least take it the first time. But it may come down to 400 or 402 the second opportunity.
Yep. Man, that thing went to the moon.
Yeah, it did, bro. Great call. Okay. And then basically with the fib tool, once the market comes down, all I do is just readjust my fib to cover the lower part. Find me a new low and a new high, and then we're all good. So just like that, I'll just keep moving my fib. If it comes back up, I'll take the trade. Right now, it's a slight consolidation right there. But if it came up to like 201, I would take a call. I'm sell. Let me put a little box right here.
GCAP might give us this entry.
Okay. These are things I do to remind myself. I use arrows and also where I take my trades at. Let's go back to GCAP.
It's back down, is it?
Yeah, it's coming down there. I'll take it. If it comes down to 410 or below.
Yeah, look at the higher time frames as well.
So it closed at 434 and reopened. So it may not come down there right now. It may do it on the next go around here. The next wave. Okay, there it goes. It's down to 417. It came to 415 that time. Did you get it?
Trying to get it. I'm trying to. Nope. That thing's gone forever.
Gotta be quick.
GCAP's moving this morning.
I was gonna get in there, but I was on the trading view account.
Oh, see it push on one more time. And then I want that
Right.
15-minute wick rejection.
It knows we want it now.
Yep. I'm just looking at all the CADs. All the CADs are about to bounce off a heavier resistance. USD CAD just broke through its resistance. Odd CAD's been in a heavy uptrend.
Oh shit.
What number y'all taking it at?
Well, two. Come on,
Right
give me
now.
400. Give me 400. 396. Okay. Did I get it? I got it at 397.
Yeah, me too.
I got it 399. Snipers.
All right, so we took GCAD at 397 for a call. Again, I knew it would come down a little lower. So my next zone is at 374. So it may come to here and then bounce back the other way.
Mm.
Okay, so it's almost at the zone now. Let's see what happens. Touch the zone. Now it's bouncing back the other way.
Mhm.
Now we need some bust up action GCAD. Do not break through the structure.
In profits.
All right, let's go. There we go. That's what we need right there. Go to the moon.
Play now.
Let's go. GCAD, go to the moon for us.
It's going on only 5 minutes.
There we go.
Right, right.
All right, we should be in profit. All right, let's go. All right, when do I expire? Got about a minute left.
Mhm.
All right, we're looking good. Keep going up, GCAD. We
Correct.
do appreciate you on this hump day.
Back up, back up.
There you go.
That's
Going
right.
back up there.
That's right. The end of the candles is trying to make a tap back, but we will not have you.
That's right. Come on, we're gonna claim the victory today. Let's go. Stay up there.
Come on.
It's already so.
Yeah, there's some resistance at that level. This is as it's kind of bouncing back down and up right there.
Already so. Come on. I got about 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I got a clear over here. How you
Oh,
guys
Claire.
looking? Clear. All right, great, great. We're doing good this morning. 3-0, right?
I'm still in.
Oh, you cleared already. It's already claimed.
I'm into 45.37.
Oh yeah, you've already claimed, bro. You good. 5 more seconds.
Come on. I just cleared.
Let's go, bro. Good job. Great call, man.
Man, I'm about to break my highest ever account balance.
You trading on your real account?
Yeah.
Yeah, so am I.
If-
Yeah, I'm trading my
if
little account.
I was trading on my real account this morning because I'm doing compounding.
Okay, that's good to hear.
So I have a $93 trade cleared, a $88 trade cleared.
Look at Emma.
Holy crap.
On your own or with
That's-
us right now?
No, with us right now. So in
Oh, you
total,
doing
my
your thing.
payout is 160, 150, 26, over 300.
Emma, you ain't playing this morning. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take GJ, you guys. If you can see my screen, I've been waiting this
Yeah,
all
but
morning.
it's-
I'm gonna
your
take
real account.
GJ.
It's fake money. It's not real money.
Oh,
I thought you said your real account.
No, I'm
Oh.
doing bootcamp on demo.
Got you. Okay. I'm gonna take GJ,
So I want
guys,
to practice.
at 200 or above.
Practice the compounding before I go in my real account.
Okay. I'm gonna take this trade, you guys. It comes up to 200. This is what I've been looking for. Waiting for, rather. GJ. almost there. Give me a little more spike. $195 would have been good.
A good thing we cleared GCAD.
Because it went right back down.
It went down to 320. Holy crap.
I didn't get what I wanted. I was trying to get that 195 and I got spiked down to 189.
Oh,
Oh,
I hate when that happens.
Yeah. All right. So I'm in there now though. So let's see. So this is what I was waiting for. To come up, I was using my fib, waiting for it to come into my zone, which it did, and I took the call, the sale. Now we just need this joker to go down. So there's 200, 207.
Is there just news or something?
Mm-mm.
Oh no, we're trading CADs. I shouldn't have even called that one up.
Pushing up a little bit. If I have to roll over, I will.
Holy crap, look at these wicks on the CADs right now, Vaughn. When you
No, I'm
can.
watching my trade right now. I might have to roll this over. I'll look in 1 second. All right, I'm in profit now. Okay, let's go. Come on, keep going down. Keep going down.
Wow, what is happening?
All right, so right now we're in profit on GJ. Need to keep going down. I got about almost a minute and so left. Keep going down, GJ. On this hump day, all right, spiking up on me a little bit. Can't roll over now. It's too late. This should pop back down. Come on. Bust down, GJ. Don't go that way. Okay, when do I expire? All right, so might not go down in this time frame. I needed a roll, looks like. Never know. Come on, bust down. Never know. It ain't over yet. Come on. Go ahead, bust down. All right. So I didn't clear that. I think I needed a roll. Let me see. I probably should have took another entry at 215. Yeah, 225. Now I bust down, you can see. So the analysis was good, just the timing. I needed that 200. So I should have got back in there though at 215. So I'm 3-1.
Wow, look at those CAD pairs. Look at like GCAD that we just took.
Okay. Yeah, it bust up.
Look at that wick.
Yeah, I see it down at the bottom. That's crazy.
That is a 100 pipette wick.
that Euro GBP that I was talking about, looking like if it's trying to make its way there now to the 450.
Okay.
Euro GBP. It's 445.
EuroCAD also. It's at my zone. 794 EuroCAD.
I think we stay away from the CADs all day.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get
Those things are running.
Emma, you take your GBP?
I was waiting for it to touch 450. It touched
Okay.
446, 445.
Okay.
Well, at least on the broker.
Holy cow. I just took a EuroCAD sale. That thing just went to the moon. Oh my God. What did you say happened with EuroCAD? Did you say it was
There's a lot of news. There's a lot of news on it today.
Okay, well, I'm not going to even count that trade as a trade then. I should not have taken EuroCAD. No big deal. So I'm not going to even watch
I was
that.
going to say we could take some one minute buys right now.
Yeah, I'll stay away from that. I'm going to get my GJ back though, if it comes back up.
This EG is trying.
Holy crap. Look at all of the cards right now. Oh.
When you see long candles like that, that's coming down to the last 10 seconds, you must take a sell, it'll go the next direction.
Yeah.
True. I have a resistance on UCAT at 551.
So it may come as high as 938 and then go the other way.
I think it's going the other way already.
Yeah, so it came up to that level, that zone. Now it's going back the other way. It's dropped hard too. So that would have been a great sell right here.
I have to learn to not be so picky. So this went up to 445 and it's now at 395.
Holy crap, what is going on?
I'm in profit on EuroCAD. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, EuroCAD, I am mad at you. And it's continuing to bust down.
Wow.
Good. So if you took that trade with me, we deep in profit.
You're like 180 pipettes in profit.
Right. I'll take that.
Have to call at 600.
Okay.
Wow. Vaughn, what you get it at?
$7.99.
$7.99. So you still got 100 pipettes to play with here.
Yeah. All right, let me look for something else. Go back to my GJ.
Wow.
Okay, GJ, working our way back up.
You're going to clear that, Vaughn.
Oh, for sure. I'm gonna claim that with you, man. Appreciate that.
That's crazy.
I still like GJ, man. All right, I cleared that.
I like GJ a little higher.
Yeah, definitely higher. I got another
Upper
zone. Where you going today, bro?
Like 320. 325.
Mm-hmm.
That would match up with the trend line too that it's in right now.
Yeah, I think 275 and it's gonna tank back.
Yeah. Oh, you cleared that. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, I cleared. Yes, sir. 276. It came to 276.
Yeah, I was gonna say, speaking of wicks, there's a 200 pipette wick on Eurocast.
You guys see something, call it out. I'll take whatever you guys call out.
That just eliminated like half of what I had to play with. I'm looking at a Euro JPY
Mhm.
for sale. If it came up to like 835.
Ooh.
Was that a rooster?
Yeah, neighbors have a chicken.
Oh wow.
Ah,
One, was that a rooster? That's when you know you live in Chicago, right?
Right. Oh man, I was about to push the button on GJ.
The JPYs are pushing up a little. I'm gonna pull up Cash App and see if the strength's on them. Cash App doesn't want to log in. Is IM Academy like down for maintenance?
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot! Did anybody catch Euro JPY up around 830?
No, I was waiting on you
no.
to call it out. I took my GJ trade. Did you take it?
No, I didn't catch it. I saw it right after it hit 830 and then it dropped back down.
Yeah, that's the same zone we had a little while ago. When we first got on, we
Yeah.
said it's doing the same thing as Jake's video. Yep. So
Yeah.
it definitely likes that zone. Yeah. I wish I could have got that one too, because I'm in GJ. GJ is doing the same thing.
The JPYs are dumping now.
Wow, look at that Euro card. My God. Wow, we could have taken a buy
Holy.
on that too. Hey,
You okay?
probably still can.
Took a woman to buy.
Wow, what is going on?
It's news on the CAD pairs, right?
Hey,
Yeah, we might
I'm
want to.
taking this
Hey,
Euro
if you
card.
guys trade Forex, this would be the time to take a trade on EuroCAD right now. Because that thing is tanking. Something serious. Wow.
What the
Whoa.
hell?
If it comes down to 48, I'm going to put $1 on it to see what happens.
It could go all the way to either 837 or 759.
I don't know about you, but I'm taking like 5-minute buys on this thing.
Yeah, I'm going to take one too. Whenever it decides to stop.
Not stopping now.
Wait, it's gonna stop. It's gonna stop right here, right here, right here.
Oh, that's gonna
On the
drop
bottom.
back down again.
You'd even do like 15-minute buy. It just rejected right off my zone at 908. Oh, never mind.
I tell you, 837 or 759. Yep, 836,
What you guys getting in at on
759.
EuroCAD 759. That's EuroCAD, right? Oh, you
Yeah.
guys didn't get in there yet. Okay.
Still
Holy,
going. Wow.
it's all the CADs right now. Look at them all. Holy crap.
Wow. It may come down to 44. It's still going. It may come
I think
down
I'm
to
still gonna
94.
take like.
Did you guys
Is
get
anybody
in?
else taking
Huh?
like 10-minute buys?
But the trading view and the broker's not matching up. On trading
No?
on my account it says 789.
Yeah, mine too.
On trading view it said 768. So that's a trick.
Broker must you don't know what the hell to do.
Yeah, it's like nope. I'm gonna put $1 on it right now just to see what happens.
Like 10 minutes?
I just put 4 minutes. I only put $1 on it. I wanted to see what's gonna happen on the broker side. It's still dropping.
Wow.
I put $1
That
on it.
is a 1,000 pipette candle. Over.
I don't think I have any other zones on this. Let me see.
Man, I really want to take it for like a 5-minute buy.
I did both. I put in a call and a put order. So let's see what happens.
Even for like 20 minutes or so, this thing's definitely gonna wick hard.
Has to wick hard.
Mm-hmm.
There's no way.
But there wasn't even news on it right now, was there?
Well, hard.
There was CAD news. Oh, what? There was just news on
That's why.
it. To reread folders. But man, is that tempting to just buy this thing up right now. Think of how many people's stop losses this thing is taking out right now.
Mm-hmm.
Where is this going?
6 feet under, it seems like. It's still tanking.
There is no way.
I'm gonna take my 10-minute buy,
You took a buy on it? Okay.
like right here for 10 minutes.
Yeah, my broker is at 605. It's not even going down that low.
At 605 right now.
Yeah. That's weird. Oh, that's why I'm on EuroCAD. Let me go to GCAD. There we go. It's at 420. 397.
Wow.
You took a 10-minute buy?
I think I'm going to right now. 570 was my next zone. That's insane. That thing just skyrocketed to the moon and then just absolutely plummeted. Should have taken that 570.
I took a 10-minute call at 4:29.
I wouldn't even do it like fully leveraged.
Well, I know it's gonna go back up now. Just a matter of when.
Yeah. What was that, Eurocad? And because it's a different candle, I don't know how much it will
This thing pushes 600 again on me.
Did you put
How
your
long did you
call
take
in,
it
Nathan?
No, I didn't. I was waiting for 600.
Oh, you wanted to go up even higher. Okay.
So 3. My broker's not matching up at all. Whoa. You're going to tell me that this 15-minute candle is not going to wick out? This 15-minute candle alone,
It's still dumping.
it's still going.
So it didn't stop there. Yeah, I'm done with GCAD, bro. It just gave me an alert. 251. It went right through that. It's like whatever.
The 151 now.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. I've never seen a big tank like this before. Not where it just keeps going and going and going and going. Wow.
Eurocad has a 1500 pipette candle right now.
That's crazy.
I still think if I had to roll it over, I probably would. Because I think you're about to see another big 15-minute candle to the upside. Unless I'm tripping and this thing just decides to just keep going.
Yeah, at this point, I don't know. It's breaking every zone.
You all think that's gonna come back up?
Eventually. I don't know when. Maybe sometime tomorrow.
Sometime tomorrow.
That's crazy.
Well, it's actually still this 15-minute candle behaving like that, so it might go up in the next
That's what I'm thinking, is we might see a big 15 minutes to the upside now.
yeah.
What we should have been doing is taking 1-minute sells this entire time.
Yeah, that would have been a great idea. Well, it's respecting 106 right now. Spoke too soon.
I was gonna say, don't say that. Dang. This thing's gonna wake up right now.
Maybe the safest pair right now is Euro USD and UJ.
I'd sell you, Jay. Man, whatever news that was for the CAD, though, the country is hurting.
Yeah.
We have news on the US dollar in 15 minutes, too.
Well, I like USD JPY for a sale at 193 if it comes back up there. 193 or higher. What do you guys think about that?
Which one? USD JPY?
Yeah, UJ.
Yeah, I've seen a couple rejections off of 94. Oh, there is
JP.
no way Euro CAD is still going down.
Are you serious?
Wicking, the 30-minute candle is starting to wick.
All right.
Holy crap. I don't think I've ever seen a candle that big.
Well, I missed my UJ entry. My broker was froze on me. 197 was the money. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from the CAD pairs right now.
I'm gonna stay away from the CAD pairs all day.
Yeah.
There's 3 red folders on the CAD. 1, 2 red or 2 orange folders, and then like half of the page is CAD yellow folders.
Wow.
I'm just blown away by these candles.
Okay, UGP for a sell right where it's at.
We just missed it, didn't we? Sell or buy?
I like it for a call.
Oh, you said so.
Oh, I did, my bad.
I was gonna say 319 would have been money. Just broke through that zone I have right there. Oh, I see what you're seeing with that zone.
Yeah.
I extended mine a little lower.
I'm not too late.
It's there. Take your practice trade. Man, I'm debating, like, do I let my EuroCAD go?
What, EuroCAD or GCAD?
I took
Oh,
EuroCAD
EuroCAD, okay.
at 400 for 15 minutes, but
Oh,
I'm
you gonna
debating
roll
roll.
it over? I kind of let
I
mine.
mean, you would for 15 minutes though. So if I roll it
Oh,
over, I still.
man. I just took this trade for 10 minutes, bro. Dang. Oh, well. Maybe it's time to stop trading. Start doing stuff like that.
Oh shoot! I think or Dan and them are on, aren't they?
Yeah, we already. It's 9:20. You guys gonna hop on their session real quick?
Yeah, I'm gonna hop over there.
All right, we can stop here then. All right, guys, been a fun session today. We're gonna do the same thing tomorrow, watch some training and get to the charts tomorrow. So good stuff today, guys. We did good here. And I will see you guys tomorrow.